Enough is enough. This is not the old India that used to take bullets silently and wait for politicians to condemn the violence. This is the new India, bold, brutal, and unforgiving. Over 100 armed drones ripped through ULFA terrorist camps inside Myanmar, sending a loud message to every terror sponsor. You mess with India, we will hunt you down, even across borders. And let's not pretend, behind these so-called insurgents hides a bigger snake, China, using terror as a tool to bleed India from within. Watch till the end. This is not just a drone strike. This is a statement. Indian Army didn't just strike, it executed. Over 100 AI-enabled swarm drones flew into Myanmar and obliterated ULFA terrorist camps. Precision hits, zero collateral. And here's the knockout blow. ULFA's self-proclaimed Major General Nayan Assam has been eliminated. Along with him, multiple top commanders who were running training camps, smuggling arms, and planning terror ops in Assam and Arunachal, all wiped out in a matter of minutes. These weren't random militants. These were key assets in ULFA's anti-India operations, people China was quietly counting on to keep the northeast burning. Their safe zones in Myanmar? Gone. Their command structure? Decapitated. Their terror dreams? Buried under drone shrapnel. ULFA, United Liberation Front of Assam, has long been a festering wound on India's northeast. They claim to fight for Assam's freedom. In reality, they're just terrorists for rent, funded by foreign enemies, hiding in foreign land, killing their own people. And now their top dogs are dead, and their myth of invincibility lies in ashes. They thought Myanmar jungles would protect them. India's drones thought otherwise. Let's talk about the real mastermind, China. For decades, Beijing has funded and armed groups like ULFA, NSCN, and Manipur-based insurgents. Not because it cares about their cause, but because it wants to keep India divided, distracted, and bleeding internally. ULFA camps were found with Chinese weapons, Chinese comms gear, and Chinese cash. Coincidence? Not a chance. This isn't just terrorism. It's proxy warfare with Chinese fingerprints all over it. But now, with this strike, India has turned the game on its head. For too long, India waited, appealed to diplomacy, hoped others would fix the mess. That era is over. The new doctrine is simple. You support terrorists? We will destroy them. You hide them? We will reach them. You think distance protects you? Think again. This was not a retaliation. It was a warning shot to the next in line. And to China, yes, we know exactly what you are doing. And now you know what we are capable of. These weren't imported toys. These were homegrown monsters. India's swarm drones, autonomous, deadly, and fast, executed a mission without risking a single soldier. They track heat. They communicate mid-air. They adjust targeting mid-flight. While ULFA commanders were hiding in their bunkers, India's drones were already watching, locking on, and raining down death. This is not a one-time show. This is the beginning. India is no longer reactive. India is relentless. And for those still dreaming of breaking India from within, be it ULFA or their Chinese handlers, remember the name Nayan Assam. Because he was the first, not the last. ULFA's head is gone. China's plan? Crushed. This is New India, where we don't wait for an attack. We end the threat before it begins. Like, share, and subscribe if you support India's bold stance. And to every terror handler hiding behind borders, you are next. Jai Hind. India first. Always.